Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to restart phone in Vivo Y15s phone. Guys, you want to restart your phone, so you can restart it. In this video guys, I will show you how to restart it. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So what will you have to do guys? First of all guys, you will have to press your power button guys, this power button guys. Then guys, you can see power off and guys restart. So you want to restart guys, when you will power off, so you will have to again press power button guys. When you will click as restart, then guys it will done automatic as you can see. So guys, now we will have to wait. So you can see guys, it's restarting in Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to restart phone in Vivo Y15s phone. You can restart your phone when guys your phone hang and guys it do not work properly. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. After guys 1 minute it will restart. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.